Hey,
Want to hear a joke?
sure.
Where does a bird royalty live?
Where?
Buckingham Palace. What would you do if you were a bird?
Fly? You?
Probably fly too.
Cool.
Cool. Want to go bird watching?
Why do you want to go bird watching? It's winter.
Because it's fun?
Bird watching isn't fun if there are no birds.
Well, we could just go outside and check if there are any left.
Dude, there are no birds. It's winter.
Maybe some did not just dip on us.
Okay, well, then we'll go outside and check.
Thank you.
Well, I don't see any birds.
Try opening your eyes.
Nope, still no birds.
At least it was worth a shot.
No, it wasn't.